Right, if you're looking for a absolutely superb Jaguar F-Type, got the P380 Dynamic here to show you. 2020 on a 20 registration, Jaguar dealer plus one private owner, full up-to-date Jaguar service history, recently been serviced. Ultra blue, so it's a pearlescent metallic. Lovely colour. Let's start here at the back corner then and carefully show you around. As you see, two nice exhaust pipes out the back, switchable exhaust, rear parking sensors and rear camera. Black badging and privacy glass. It's got the glass roof with a sun blind. Black wheels, bolted, all in nice condition. Pirelli tyres, all good, and the car is, I can say it's immaculate. There's can't see any marks on it anywhere. Carefully go down the side for you. Black wing vents and bonnet vents. Front parking sensors as well, gloss black grille. Just a lovely car. We've got full book pack, both keys and key fobs from Jaguar, full Jaguar service history, and it was last done at 16,001 miles, 20th of February 2023, so everything as it should be. Car drives like new. And if you're watching this on YouTube, have a look at our website, justnicecars.co.uk. So we've listed the full specification. You see all the photographs outside the showroom with this lovely blue pearl paintwork. Power hatchback. All lovely and clean. You've got the warning triangle at the back. This one's been fitted with a luxury over carpet mat as well. Like new in there. Right, let's show you on the inside. All important seats. It's just nice to have those bucket seats in the F-Type. They operate on here electrically. You've got power folding door mirrors, luxury over carpet mats in the front. It's got Apple CarPlay. It's got the flat bottomed heated steering wheel on this one as well. Let's have a look at the mileage. 17,163. So serviced just over 1,000 miles ago. Buttons there for the rear retractable spoiler, traction control and exhaust pipe tone. Black headlining, and the sun blind just pulls across to cover the glass roof. So we've got a black leather perforated on the inner edges and stitched in grey. I don't think you can find a better one than this. Lovely ownership, condition, colour. What a nice car. So it's 2020 on a 20 registration. Any questions you have, please give us a call at the showroom. We'll answer any questions for you. If you'd just like to book an appointment and come and see it. If you'd like some finance or you have a part exchange, just give us a call. Thank you very much for watching. No disappointments with this one. Sure it'll be the best one you will find.